What's up guys? Today we're going to be finishing the rear end on my RX7 FD hopefully. I need to go pick up some supplies from Competitive Metals that Kyle needs, and then we're going to head over to his shop. Hopefully get everything done tonight, have all the bumpers mounted, and then all I have to do left is mount my firewall and a couple little more things just to get the car perfect for Vegas Drift on the 21st. Alright, so I got these tabs for Kyle. This will go to a tube and sit like that, and then the taillight bracket will sit on here, and then obviously it'll screw through there. And then these are called Zeus tabs, so you have like your back piece, the spring, and this thing. It will actually, the spring will go under, and then that, I believe that's how it goes. Don't quote me on it. And then this is how we're going to be mounting the bumper, and I think that's it for right now, just the rear bumper like that. And then we got a couple extra just in case. Okay, so the taillights are 3 different pieces.
No,
like
it's a big.
Yeah, okay, so the 3 different pieces. This is the old taillight that's broken. And what Kyle had to do was, there's this metal bar that comes all the way across like that. And then there's these tabs that are built for it off. And then on the bumper right here, we're gonna trim this so that tube will sit like right against the bumper in here. Alright, now we're making the bracket to hold up the taillights. So we made the bracket that went across and held all the taillights together, and then now we're making what's gonna hold the taillights up against the hatch and the rear bumper.
Every time I count,
Okay, so now we have this bracket that holds that frame that I was showing you guys earlier is welded to the back half of the car now. And now the lights are being held up.
there's gonna be another one too.
Yeah, this is just obviously as we go right now. This is all gonna be done tonight hopefully, but as of like earlier today, none of this was done. So we're going step by step right now.
Look at it.
You're not, come on, all the way down.
All the way down. That's so hard.
Alright, you try, Tony. Alright,
Tony.
As he puts his jewelry.
I think it's done smoking.
Other way.
Yeah.
Other way. No.
I got you. What the You got one. You got one. I was
your
like,
turn.
this is getting.
Alright, so the rear taillights are mounted now, and now we're putting the bumper on. Kyle trimmed this back section right here so it'll fit nice and flush. It's a rep kit, so it's like not gonna fit perfect, but we're doing the best that we can do.
Oh, rep? Oh.
Yeah, it's rep. People don't like that, I guess, but when you're drifting, stuff breaks, so why spend money on real stuff?
I didn't afford it.
But yeah, so now we're putting this on, and we're making pretty good progress for tonight. Hopefully we'll have everything done tonight. That's the plan, right, Kyle?
Yep, that's the plan. Yeah, okay, cool.
I found it. I don't really get found it.
Probably nothing, actually. What?
I think you dropped something.
Dropped it.
Did it fit?
No.
Too big?
Yeah.
We had to get some different size rivets for those Zeus tabs that I bought earlier.
You want good news or bad news?
Good news.
Don't know them early.
Why?
Because they don't have the right size. These are way too short. These might work. I don't.
Hey Zach, why are you getting gum? Get that tape out of your mouth.
Are you allowed to say on your channel you're 17 years old?
There's gonna be a beep.
Oh, who's gonna put that in for you though?
Me.
Oh, on whose computer?
Yours.
Oh, so I'm gonna not let you do it. So now it's not gonna be everywhere.
Yeah, but black is different. 15 there is like, fuck that.
Alright, the rear end's finally done after like a 6-month process because I took forever to get parts in and other things had to get done on the car first. But we got the taillights all mounted, brackets made, bumpers mounted now. There's like slight little gap here and there's a little gap here, but that's because this car's been like backed into a wall a couple times. I mean, like, I guess that sounds kind of bad, but it has. So this is, a lot of this is Bondo and kind of missing metal. But for the most part, everything looks really, really good and I'm super excited. Tomorrow I'm gonna be putting the fire extinguisher in, building the firewall, passenger seat, getting the car completely tidied up for the Vegas event. Thanks again for watching. I'll be posting as much as possible. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. For this cut, start now. I'm gonna try to upload as much as possible. Like I was. Cut.